Alright, what's God, I'm a fucking gay bitch. But what's going on, guys? Caleb here, and I'm filming this bike check that I've been needing to film. So I'm not sure if I'm putting my face in this or not, but yeah, because I'm ugly. So, and plus I'm at this building, which I don't know. So, but let's start this bike check. Okay, started off, we have the premium signature Chad Curley frame, 20.5, runs smoothly. I don't think they make any more of them anymore, but yeah, I like it. CK, it's pretty cool. We have the Odyssey R25 forks, 25 offset, Primo headset, runs extremely smoothly. E-Claw Mercury stem, it's pretty good. No, it's not. It really isn't good because it happens to slip a lot, but it hasn't slipped in a while for me, so I like it, I guess. The Verde Regent bars, 9.25 rise. I cut them about an inch. E-Claw, E-Claw grips. I don't remember what kind, but yeah, E-Claw grips. They're like big as fuck. Odyssey par ends in red. E-Claw Stevie Turgio Fireball tires, red and black stroke. E-Claw rims, Primo spokes, Primo nipples, BSD front street hub. As you can see, that it's pretty good. Had to buy another one since the last time because my other one broke. 4 stolen pegs, black peg sleeves, pretty good. G Sport hub guard because I'm too fat to buy the one that fits this one. Shadow seat, it's pretty good. Soft, I guess. Shadow seat post, Rant cranks, which have surprisingly been holding up pretty good. Merit pedals, like those a little bit. Primo solid sprocket, Shadow chain, again stolen pegs, Primo spokes, Primo nipples, E-Claw rim, Sunday Thunder free coaster. McNeil valve caps, if that's right. I don't remember really. But yeah, my Lucky Charm. And that's pretty much it to top it off. Yeah, I like it. Pretty smooth setup. But yeah. And I also film videos with a chest mount. And that's pretty much it. I feel pretty awkward now because there's a dude in that truck and I think he's looking at me, but I don't care. But yeah, thanks for watching, and try to like if you can. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.